All right, this is 8.3. This is the inverse graphs. So I'm going to show 3 ways to do this. So there's 3 methods you can use to find the answer here. The first way is with the equation. The second way is with the graph. And then the third way is with the table. So first one is with the equation. So you have the original is f of x equals x plus 1. So if we have it like this, y equals x plus 1. So you're supposed to switch the x and the y, but we didn't do that in the first one, so I'm just going to keep it this way. -1, -1. So y minus 1 equals x. What the inverse is going to be, f inverse of x equals x minus 1. So what I'm doing is I'm just making this turn into f inverse of x. And then I'm turning this into x. And that gets you this answer here. So that's the equation. That's the first way to answer this. The second way is with the graph. So what you do with the graph is you take this line here. It goes on the line y equals x. So anytime you do this light blue line, y equals x, that's what it reflects over. So it's going to be here. So this dark blue line is the answer. Because each point on this light blue line is the same distance from the red and the blue line. So wherever you go, it's the same distance here and here. It's really easy to see on this particular one, but on future ones, on the next one, it might be more useful to see. Okay, the third way is the table. So let's pick some points here. So your third method is the table. So f of x, x and y. Let's see. So negative 2 is -1. 0 is 1. 2 is 3. And then 3 is 4. So those are these points on this red line here. So -2 and 1 was this point. 0 and 1 was this point. 2 and 3 was this point. And then 3 and 4 was this point. When you do the table, let's make this false. So the inverse. Inverse is going to be, you switch them. Just flip all of them. Flip them backwards, and that'll do it. So look, -1 and -2. -1 is -2, which is here. 1 and 0, which is here. 3 and 2, which is here. And then 4 and 3 is here. So you notice the table? Those green points and those purple points match up. Yeah, so those are the 3 methods. You have the equation, the graph, and the table. Personally, I think that since your assignment is multiple choice, I think the graph is the easiest one to do. So let me do this one. So okay, so it's going to cross this line here. This is the line y equals x. Let's see, so it'll hit here. It'll hit here. And I know it'll also hit here. So it'll be something like this. And so if you look at this red and this thick blue line, they should be mirror images about that light blue line. So that's what your answer should look like, if you want to do it with the equation. F of x equals x to the third minus 2. So y equals x to the third minus 2. Y plus 2 equals x to the third. The cube root of y plus 2 equals x. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to change this to f of inverse of x. I'm going to change this to y to x. So f inverse of x equals the cube root of x plus 2. That's the equation. For the table, for this red one, you have so what, 0, let's do -2, and -3, 0, -2, good morning. And then do 2 and 6. So for your inverse, it's going to be, you flip it. So this will flip -3, -2, -2, 0, and then 2, 6, and 2. Let's see if it works. -3 and -2, yeah, over here. -2 and 0. -2, yep, it's right there. And then 6 and 2, yeah, that's about right.